Alright, ready, Freddy? You like that on you? Do you suck dicks? No, sir. Bullshit, Sonny. I bet you can suck a dick through a garden hose. My favorite movie. Shut up. You're next. Yes. What? And Sonny, where are you coming from? Texas, sir. Holy dog shit. Texas is only for steers and queers. And you don't look that much of a steer to me, so that kind of narrows it down. I'll be keeping my eye on you, Mr. Nuts. Nuts. Alright. You get a $500 ticket. Hold it right there. School skipping jockeys. Alright. I got a couple questions for you both. First of all, why the hell are you drinking beer when you're supposed to be in school? And also, secondly, this show's against the law to drink underage. The fuck was that? Hey, not so fast. You two, front and center on the devil. Is that who I... Oh man, hell, here. Alright, you first. What's your name, scumbag? Bob. Bob who? Sack. Bob Sack. Yes, sir. My name is Bob Sack. I'm a farmer, and I also milk cows. Alright. I'll talk to you in a second. Now let me talk to your friend right here. What's your name, dirtbag? Uranus. Uranus who? Uranus Anus, sir. What kind of fucked up name is that? I don't know. That's just my name, sir. Huh. Well, I've been given several reports that you've been vandalizing this soda machine. Is that true? No, sir. How about you, Bob Sack? No, sir. We haven't done that, sir. It's just a machine ate our quarters, but we didn't kick it, sir. Bullshit. I'll be the judge of that. Now let me investigate this machine. Oh. What was that? Nothing. Best guess. Knock it off, you two. I'll come over there and get you. Huh. Ah, what the hell was that? My head's stuck in here. Now, what entire nation could it be? Over here. What the? Ah, hell! I got a rocket up my ass. 3, 2, 1, launch! Bye-bye. Have a safe trip to North Pole. Ah, my ass! Holy dog shit! What the fuck's going on here? Off the crazy pursuit. Alright, Mr. Speed Racer, pull your ass over. As you wish. Afternoon. Nothing more like a great piss stop to take a piss. That water's cold and deep. What? Don't say that while I'm taking a piss. Oh, sorry, sir. What the hell was that? I don't know, sir. Might have been a bug. Bugs don't crap like that. Deposit. Okay, I gotta make a doozy. Ow, my face. Sorry. Those damn kids these days always pulling off shit like that. Dang it. Huh, plunger and dynamite. Why does this look so familiar, Ryan? Do it. Oh no, where'd my pants go? You boys, I'll talk to you in just a second. Don't you move. You, get out of the damn tank, or I'll take you out of it by force. Okay. Shut up! Did you hear me, boy? officer, just to let you know that tank is loaded.
What did I just said, and where did he go?
Oh, Officer Crazy.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna make you guys regret it.